Hello guys, today we're going to install Java on your Windows 10 machine. Before we get started, it would be great if we check whether Java is already installed or not. So to check that, open CMD, type Java a dash version. As you can see, Java is not currently installed on this machine. So let me close that CMD. Now head over to this page. The link will be available in the description. Click on uh, at the time of recording, Java SC15 is the latest one. It might increase based on the time you're watching this video. I'd recommend to install the latest version available. Go to JDK download link, click on JDK download, and then here see Windows x64 installer. Click on this link, JDK 15.0.1 Windows x64 bit.exe executable. Click on accept and click to download JDK 15. As I've already downloaded it, I'll open that. This is the executable that will be downloaded. Double click to run it. You'll get a prompt. Click yes. And now, yeah. Next. I'd recommend to not change the path. Now Java is installed on our machine. Run Java page there. See, it is as easy as that. But sometimes the environment variable might not have been updated itself. To add the environment variable manually, go to your C drive and then program files and then Java. Yes, that is Java, JDK and bin. Now copy that path. See, this is only if after installing you don't see this like this. Even after installing the executable, if you see Java is not detected, then it might be the problem that environment variable is not added by itself. If after typing Java description you get this out, there's no need to do this step. To open the environment variable, hit the Windows key and type edit environment variable. In the system variable, click on path and then edit. Here let's add new. Paste the path, enter, and then click OK. Now close any CMD that is already opened. Use this and then open it again. Now all the errors would have been rectified by now and Java would be installed on your system. Thank you for watching.